Deep in the wilderness, far from roads and cities,
we found something that was never meant to be found again.
A machine once built to move mountains.
Left behind, forgotten, and slowly reclaimed by nature. At first, it was just a shape.
Rusted metal. Broken lines.
Almost invisible beneath decades of decay.
But the closer we got, the clearer it became. This wasn't scrap. Oh. This was a mining truck.
Built for one purpose.
To carry unimaginable weight.
Day after day.
In one of the harshest environments on Earth.
Machines like this weren't designed to be comfortable.
They were designed to survive.
No one knows exactly when it was left here.
But the clues are everywhere. When a machine breaks down too far from help.
Sometimes it's simply cheaper to leave it behind.
And once that decision is made, then nature takes over.
Rain.
Heat.
Mud.
Time.
For decades, this machine stood still,
slowly dissolving into the landscape around it.
Most people would look at this and see only rust. We saw something else. The question wasn't what happened to it. The question was, is there anything left worth saving? The frame was still intact.
massive steel, built in an era when machines were over-engineered.
The tires were gone. The engine was silent. Every system frozen in time. But beneath the rust, the structure remained.
Trucks like this were once the backbone of industrial expansion.
Without them, entire mining operations simply couldn't exist.
They weren't meant to be elegant.
They were meant to endure punishment.
Every single day.
Or try to bring this machine back from the edge of history.
Light illuminates the truck's body. It wouldn't be easy.
And failure was a real possibility before any restoration could begin.